You just don't go too fast, and the tank will clean itself. Get all that rust out. A little oil, a little sand, and a little small river rock, and it'll clean itself.